Welcome to Nursing Mantra. I hope all you are keeping well. Today I am here to discuss an important update regarding prometric exam. Especially those who are writing the exam in UAE. You should know today onwards there are changes in the prometric centers. I'll read one mail which recently booked for the exam. Like as of October 18th, the candidate will be required to show your green status of Al Hosn application for verification of the status of your vaccination against COVID-19 and or the 96-hour validity of your RT-PCR test result to gain entry into the testing center. We hope above information is helpful. So this is the mail we are receiving from the prometric centers. So those who are writing exam, especially in UAE, you should have a green status in your Al Hosn application about the COVID-19 vaccination status. So regarding this, you will be getting more doubts which all the vaccinations are accepting in UAE, and your status will come green status will come or not. All these doubts, you can for more information you can check the Al Hosn application. Some of the informations I can tell you. So how I got this information means, today one of the applicant visited the prometric center in Abu Dhabi. She already took the vaccination 2 doses, but her booster doses it was not completed, and her Al Hosn application there was no green status also. So they rejected her for the exam, and there is no option to reschedule the exam also. If we are asking for rescheduling the exam, they are saying to call to the Netherlands customer care service number. So even we are trying to that number also, your money will be lost. They will be keeping on the computer, pre-recorded audios will be there. So if you can do something, those who are in trouble, you can do something, you have to do in the test center itself, you have to inform them. If you didn't get any notification regarding this updates in your mail, so you have the right to ask, because you didn't get any information regarding that prometric exam. And also in UAE, the test center phone number also not available in the Google, and we will not get the test center number, only the address will be there. So the changes, so those who didn't know regarding the updates, so you have to you have the right to ask them. You didn't get any mail notification regarding your exam, so if like that, maybe they can if it is maybe it is possible for rescheduling the exam. Others, those who already received the mail and you didn't check the mail, so for them rescheduling is not possible. Your money will be lost, around 950 dirhams it will be lost, your exam fees. So when you are reaching the exam center, it has mentioned there, Al Hosn application green pass is required for all visitors aged above 16 years to enter Emirates UAE facilities. Visitors who are not vaccinated can access the facility with a 96-hour valid PCR test. 96 hours valid PCR test is valid. So this is the information we received from the prometric center, and there is candidate care number, as we already discussed, it is from Netherlands number. So how we are registering in Al Hosn application? So there are different statuses there, like a green status, then there is a grey status, red status, like that different status is there in the Al Hosn application. If it is green status means that it is fully vaccinated. Like if you have taken the vaccine, Sinopharm vaccine, that is took 2 doses and a booster dose after 6 months. So you have to take 2 doses plus 6 months after that you have to take a booster dose. Then only it will show the green status in your application. If you have taken other vaccinations that took required 1 or 2 doses, Then some of the exemption criteria, any status fitting the exemption categories, that also they will show green status in the application, some of the disease conditions and all. But they should provide a negative PCR result every 7 days required. That is green status. And regarding the gray status, PCR is expired, fully vaccinated or exempted, but a PCR test result is expired and all, it will show gray status and all. But here you need the green status. So those who are in visit visa, how you can register here in Al Hosn application means the unified number can be found on your entry stamp or on the last page of your passport. The passport, there will be seal will be there, okay, entry stamp will be there. In that there is one unified number. So ask the immigration desk at the airport or visit ICA website to get your unified number. So you have to type that, log in with your unified number and give your mobile number. So when you are logging it, you can open the Al Hosn application. So those who are in resident visa, those who have the resident visa, you can just enter your Emirates ID and your mobile number. You will get a code and you can register with that. What all are the vaccines approved in UAE? Sinopharm vaccine, Pfizer BioNTech vaccine, Sputnik vaccine, 3 Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, Johnson & Johnson vaccine, Moderna vaccine, Jamalica Sputnik V vaccine. These are the vaccines, approved vaccines in UAE. So this is the important update regarding the prometric exam, those who have booked in UAE. And your center, which country you booked the exam, you have to contact the test center for any updates regarding the COVID-19 vaccination status. All the information, it is there in the Prometric site. They have mentioned different region, what is required regarding the exam criteria. That one, prometric.com/site status. If you are typing in the Google, you can see the each country wise what is the requirement for the exam. That is mentioned in the Prometric site also. Then regarding the Al Hosn application, regarding the green pass system, all these things, you can open the Al Hosn application. Everything has mentioned there also. So once you got the green tick, then only you can enter in the exam center or you should have the COVID-19 negative result within 96 hours. That is important. I hope you understood regarding the updated information regarding the Prometric exam. Thank you.
Nursing Mantra website provides you information about nursing news related to licensing procedures to different countries. Study materials for different exams like DHA, HAD, MOH and other Prometric exams. Various job informations in the medical field. Free PPT presentations and notes for the nursing students as well as the lectures. Data flow and licensing verification services to all countries. Free crash course videos for different nursing exams in Nursing Mantra YouTube channel. Current news in the nursing field. I am inviting everyone to the Nursing Mantra family. Please subscribe and join Nursing Mantra to avail more updates. Thank you.